use your mobile phone as a microphone with the Dragon Medical One software, first launch Dragon Medical One and sign in. From the microphone list, make sure you select Nuance PowerMic Mobile. Ensure your other settings are correct and click OK. The Dragon bar will open with an orange microphone icon. Now, since we're using an iPhone, we'll head to the App Store on your mobile phone and install PowerMic Mobile. Open up the How to Connect PowerMic Mobile PDF document that you would have been sent in your Welcome Kit email and scroll down to find the QR codes in the document. You will need the QR codes ready for this next part. Open up your default camera app and scan the red QR code, which should give you a prompt to open it in your recently downloaded PowerMic Mobile app. Click this prompt to be brought to the PowerMic Mobile login page. Here you should enter your user ID and press login. If successful, you'll be brought to the main recording page. This may or may not log you in, sometimes giving a pop-up that no targets were found. If this happens, click Cancel and select the Profile button, and then select the other profile. Then attempt to log in again with the same ID. You should also see the microphone icon in the Dragon bar turn red. Now that everything is set up, you can give it a try. That's how you use PowerMic Mobile.